Hey you guys, so today I have a workout for us that uses something that most people I know have considered a pantry staple over the last few months. You're gonna need just a couple bottles of wine. We're gonna start with a squat press, but since we're using lighter weight, we're gonna do a single double on our presses. So soft knees, squeeze that belly button in. You're gonna go one arm up, shoulder press, squat, press. Single, squat, press.'re going for a minute here. We're gonna go about a minute each exercise so that you can control how many reps you get. Single, squat press. From there, feet together. You're gonna start with your wine bottles at your thighs. You're gonna step back, give me a big back lunge, reverse fly, step together. We're gonna switch legs each time. So alternating back lunge, reverse fly. Back lunge, reverse fly. From there, we're moving to a lateral lunge, side shoulder raise. Start with your feet together. We're gonna give a big step out to the side, step together, shoulder raise. Lateral lunge, side shoulder raise. You're gonna go 30 seconds on one side, and then we're gonna go 30 seconds on the other side. Lateral lunge to a side shoulder raise. From there, we're gonna keep with our shoulders holding those dumbbells, wine bottles. Soft knees. You're gonna go front punches, front, side, and up. Punch, side, and up. After 30 seconds, go doubles, and up. Both to the front, to the side, and up. From there, we're moving to triceps. Keep both of those wine bottles right at your sides, elbows tucked in tight. Soft knees, squeeze your belly button in, lean your upper body forward just slightly, and give me a big tricep kickback. Going for a minute here. And pushing straight back and then keeping those elbows nice and tight. From there, after we get done with our triceps, we're gonna do some bicep curls. Arms down by the sides, squeeze that belly button in, come all the way up with your wine bottles, drop it all the way back down. Big curl, all the way up, all the way down. If you wanna make this a little more difficult, you can go single leg. First 30 seconds on one side and switch 30 seconds on the other side. From there, we're gonna move to our mat. So grab your mat or a space on your floor. And we're gonna do a skydiver. This is a great exercise for your whole back chain. You're gonna need both of those wine bottles again. You're gonna lay all the way down on your mat, on your belly. You're going to go face down, toes down, and then give me a big pull up. Drop and come up. You're gonna go for a minute again here. Drop and squeeze. Once you're done there, we're gonna come up and do a little bit of ab work. You're gonna still need both of those wine bottles. You're gonna start in low boat. Big reach back. We're gonna go single, and double. Working abs and shoulders here. Single, double for a minute. Once we get done there, we're gonna just keep one of our bottles of wine. We're gonna squeeze our belly button in, shoulders up, back, and down. We're gonna lean back, float our toes up if we can. You're gonna go side to side, working those obliques. And from there, you're gonna keep one of your wine bottles, lay all the way back. Stack one leg on top of the other, heel to toe, And with the same arm of the leg that's on top, I'm gonna reach up with my bottle. I'm gonna squeeze my belly button in, and I'm gonna do a stacked leg crunch coming straight up toward the ceiling and then dropping back down. We'll go half on one side, and then pull that bottle down, switch hands, and half on the other side. Now, you could do any of these exercises with regular dumbbells, but we're trying to get creative, show you guys how you can do things. If you don't have a lot of traditional equipment in your home, you can still get a great workout with something just as easily and enjoyable as a couple bottles of wine. All right, guys, thanks so much. Have a great day. Get to working with the wine bottles, and then maybe afterwards enjoying a glass. Thanks.